About the Black Mamba.
Like a film?
Yeah, about your alter ego.
So kind of walk me through, what do you see?
We open up on game night. Bus pulls into town. You step off the bus. There's nobody there. You look around. There's no one on the bus. There's no one in the town. There's no one anywhere.
So why don't I just get back on the bus?
Bus blows up. So what does anyone want from you when you roll into town?
To take the Black Mamba out.
Enter the Crippler.
The what?
The Crippler. Played by Mickey Rourke.
Mickey Rourke's in this movie?
Or someone else cool that I know we can get.
Black Mamba. Boss wants your shoes.
Still using them.
Not for long.
Oh, and he's got a hostage.
That's not right. The Black Mamba don't like that.
Well, the Crippler's pure aggression. Physical, down and dirty.
He's a swiper. He wants to send my shot into the third row.
Not just your shot. Your head.
But the Black Mamba has a killer instinct that's unmatched. And when provoked, strike. So, there gonna be a lot of close-ups of the shoes?
Product placement gives us a bigger budget. Bigger budget, bigger explosions. So you save the hostage, but it's a double cross. A message from the boss.
So what's the boss want?
Boss wants to end your reign. Prove that you can be beat. Just doesn't think you're that good. So his plan is to take you down, defeat you, and then collect your shoes. Which is why he sent his best men after you. Men like Mr. Suave, played by George Clooney.
George Clooney's in this film?
Or some other megastar we can't afford, but hopefully he loves basketball.
Black Mamba. Hell of a name. Mom lose a bet or something?
But the Black Mamba strikes first. Gets the Suave before Suave gets to him.
And that's exactly what the boss was counting on. Suave is a setup.
I want to take care of that shooting hand. Might need it. Boss wants to see you.
What does he want?
Some take souls, some take scalps. Boss takes shoes. Upstairs.
The boss collects the best basketball players in the world, but he hasn't gotten to the Mamba. Yet. Kanye West plays the boss.
Kanye West? Or somebody like him?
No. Kanye West.
Black Mamba, you ready to join my trophy wall? The world's deadliest predator is about to become my town boy.
To the Black Mamba, the game is slower. Kind of gets into this zone where he can see things before they happen. The Black Mamba's ready.
Come on! Get back! Get back! Push his ass! Take the call!
Oh, and they tend to cheat. Is that a problem?
Yeah. For them.
Airball.
No possessions should be easy.
Tee up! Tee up!
But the Black Mamba has to battle. The Black Mamba has to win.
So does the boss.
Adios, motherfucker. What are you waiting for? Go! Black Mamba ain't nothing. I'm the boss. This game ain't over, Mamba. I'll see you again.
Arrivederci. So how should it end?
Black Mama doesn't end. Heroes come and go.
But legends are forever.